We finally found a parking space. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Paper Tiger. If you're new here, my name is Steven, and welcome to the Memorial Day Car Show. Happy Memorial Day, everyone. I love that color. I've thought about buying one of these cars because they're so cheap. You know, they're small, cheap, easy to maintain. But anyway, on the Colby's portion of the vlog, 454 Camaro SS. That paint is so... that is beautiful. I saw this car, that's why we're coming over this way. R32 GTR, right? R32 thing. Right-hand drive. That is a beautiful car. Oh, wow. Look at some mirror. It's a big mirror. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. This one's for Nanny. I remember seeing this car last year, actually. Do you guys remember seeing this car last year? Yeah. Oh, okay. Nanny loves common Gias. Yes. It's a big engine. Oh, look at that interior with the white accents. I like that. It's an El Camino for sale. How much you want? $8,500. I can't afford a nice one anyway. It's an 83. It's an 83. Oh, he's got a top on it too. On top on the bed. Yeah, the color on this is great with those stripes. Those are good wheels too. Are those Kragers? Those are Kragers. What is happening? I am okay. Stop. Oh, what the?
I don't know.
It's just named. It's Mustanging.
Yeah.
Somebody's messing with us. That's pretty epic. Look at that. No actual way. Somebody bought an i3 to a car show. I've actually never seen one of these up close, so. What? Why is the interior made out of wood? None of this makes sense to me. Look at this, look at this. There's wood on the dashboard.
Wow. That's kind of cool.
I guess.
I like the tablet thingies.
It's actually not bad on rear legroom.
I kind of like the look of it.
Yeah, overall it's not bad. I don't know if I'd ever own one. I think you have to open this door first and then you can open that door. Not bad overall. Hey, look, a C8. Nice. This is where all the Corvettes must have come. Must have all come in at the same exact time. Wait, look. Is that a C7 with Lambo doors? We'll get to that later. I love seeing these. He's got the carbon fiber appearance package on the engine bay. I know, right? Justin, if you're watching this, I miss your C8 so much. It was even this color too, except he had a matte wrap on it. Got the red interior. Looks so good, dude. Something doesn't quite add up here. How does this work? What? Well, here's the headlights, but wait, how does that work? Do they like fall down? I'm so very confused. Gosh darn it. I was trying to get a good shot of that and it just went straight up into the door. Hey, look. That guy, yeah. I can barely see the camera, so I'm sorry if the shot is garbage. Oh, there goes the other hot rod too. Love those white walls. Oh, that's so cool. It's a Falcon station wagon. Oh my goodness. Look at that Jeep. That's not even a Jeep, that's a Willys, so. Wow, I've never seen anything like that. What? Wow. Lambo doors. Heck yeah, brother. Oh, that's so silly. Also, wow, Rolls Royce. Let's go look at the Rolls. Swanky. Silver. Interesting. Hey. Oh, it's right-hand drive. I didn't actually see that coming. Grey Poupon! Oh, it's got Grey Poupon.
Pardon me, would you have any Grey Poupon?
Oh, that's so perfect. Wow. LS swapped Silverado. Yes. This thing looks like fun. That's a big hood scoop. Big hood bulge, I mean. Look at that, that's nearly a foot tall. That is a cool color. Like I said, everybody's gonna leave. We gotta go to the road and we're gonna watch them all go. That wing. Color combo reminds me of Mr. Gilbert's Mustang.
Oh yeah.
My phone keeps thinking turning off on me. I pray to the Lord Almighty that it did not turn off before I got the GTR drift. That is a good one. I didn't get the GTR drift and I'm so very mad. I just went back through and looked and it did not record the GTR drifting, but as you see, there's a line of tire marks that go kind of sideways. That was from the R32 GTR, and I am thoroughly ticked that I did not get that on camera. Gosh darn it. Oh, that's a good noise. It's Memorial Day. We gotta hear the good roaring V8s, you know? Another Bel Air. Oh! GT500. Yes. There's a 16-year-old driving that thing. Wow. Oh, this is gonna be loud. Oh, hey. No! Oh, that guy's a legend. Yeah! Oh, is that a Cobra? It's not a Cobra, I don't think. Mustang 2. Oh, the one-wheel peel! No way, dude! Wow. That thing's a literal Hot Wheels truck. Cuda. American muscle, that's why we're here. Yes, the C8 is coming. Oh, this is gonna be sick. Yes, sir. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Oh, what? What? How did I miss that? That is so cool. That sounds great too. not be in the way. I'm so sorry. I feel too much shame. Oh! Well, Memorial Day sure was a nice day, but as you guys can see, it's not such a nice day right now. But nevertheless, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you made it this far in the video, thank you guys so much. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big old thumbs up because that helps me out quite a lot. And subscribe if you like my videos because that helps me out too. I am full of regret that my phone decided not to record the GTR drifting because that was the coolest thing that I've ever seen. And I'm sorry that you guys didn't get to see that. But trust me, it was awesome. Thank you to St. John's Church for hosting this car show. And thank you to my friend Hayden for reminding me that this car show existed because otherwise I would have forgotten. And yeah. Next vlog, we got things to do on the Civic. We're just going to do a little bit of a sneak peek. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw too much there. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. As always, I'll see you guys in the next video, and have a great rest of your day, everyone. Bye-bye. You good? You good? Oh no, I don't want to touch the bird. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, I think wherever he or she is defending something.